Now this is the flow chart for addition and subtraction combined. The left hand side denotes the subtraction operation, whereas the right hand side denotes the flow of add operation. So in subtraction, first we will take a minand in A and subtract, that is the second number in B, right? Then we will find the sign of A and B. AS and BS are the sign. These are the sign bits. So if both are same, we will XOR it. This is exclusive OR. That means this will, if both signs are equal, the result will be 0. If both signs are not identical, the result will be 1, right? So if A is or B is equal to 0, that means sign of AS and BS. AS and BS bit are equal. That means sign of A and B numbers are equal. That means we will perform this operation. We will simply add the 2's complement of the number. EA gets the value A, B plus B bar plus 1. Now B bar plus 1 is the 2's complement of B. We know that if A minus B is the operation, we can perform it like A plus 2's complement of B. This is valid operation in computer architecture. So we can do this A minus B by using A plus B bar plus 1, right? ABF, that is the overflow, is here is A overflow is 0 here, right? This is given to E flip-flop. If the value of A is less than B, the value of E will become 0. If the value of A is greater than equal to B, the E will become 1. So in case first, if E is equal to 0, that is A is less than B, that means A gets the value A complement, right? And A gets the value A plus 1. Why? Because A is less than B, that means we have to subtract, we have to perform the operation B minus A actually, right? Not A minus B. And we will, how we can do it? We will write V minus A. So B minus A can be written as B plus 2's complement of A, which is performed here. So this is A gets the value A bar plus 1. A bar is calculated here. And the sign of AS will be AS bar. That is the negation of AS or the complement of AS, right? This is the first case. Second case is if A is greater than equal to B, then value of E is 1. So again, it will have to find whether A is equal to B or A is greater than B. So in case A is not equal to 0, that means A is greater than B, we will perform this result will be stored and the result is in A and AS will get the value of the sign. Okay? Next is, but if A is equal to B, the sign of 0 will be given to AS, right? The sign bit of result will be plus. Here is the add operation. Augend in A and addend in B. Again, we have to find the XOR of these two signs. If it is equal to 0, that means both signs are same. The addition is done, simple addition is done. EA will get the value A plus B. And this will give ABF gets the value E. If there is any overflow, that will be given to ABF flip-flop. And the result is in A and the sign is in AS, right? But if the signs are different, A plus B are different, that means A's or BS are different. That means we have to go this way. We have to find the 2's complement of B in this case, add 2's complement. That means EA will get the value A plus B bar plus 1. ABF will get the value 0. And the rest of the process will be same as the subtraction process we have followed till now. right? So these are the two cases of addition, and the remaining is left in subtraction when the signs are not equal. So this is the case when the AS XOR BS gets the value 1. That means the signs are not identical. In that case, what will happen? It will be doing this A plus B, because subtraction can be converted into addition. Like A minus minus B gives A plus B. So this A minus minus B will become A plus B here. Overflow is taken by E, and the result final calculation is done, and the result is stored in A, and the sign of the result will be stored in AS, right? So this is the flowchart for add and subtract operation.